Welcome back. We are at our math lesson now. Go ahead, take a look at our picture today. Tell me one thing that you noticed, something you can see, and something else that you're wondering about. I'll start us off. I notice that all the popsicles look like they're on little ice cubes. Something I see. What I wonder, are all of these the same flavor? Or are they all different flavors? That was kind of hard to say. So I did my I notice and I wonder. And let me tell you about our story problem today. It says Jen had 8 popsicles. Then Edison gave her 4 more popsicles. I'm going to read that one more time for you. It says Jen has 8 popsicles. How many popsicles? 8. Then Edison gave her 4 more popsicles. How many popsicles did Edison give her? 4 more. And then last, my question is asking, how many popsicles does Jen have now? So they want to know, after Edison gave her 4 more, how many does she have? Remember, I see that more word that tells me that I'm going to be adding today. So my answer should be bigger than 8, because if I'm starting with 8 and I'm adding more, my number needs to go higher. All right, let me show you how I solved our problem today. Like usual, I like to write the number so I know what I'm working with. And the first number I heard was 8. She had 8 popsicles. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my 8 popsicles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sorry, the mouse got away from me there. I have 8 popsicles. Next, they tell me she's getting 4 more. So I need to draw 4 more popsicles. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I've done all of the work. Now it's time for me to come up with an answer. Remember, they want to know, how many does she have all together now? So I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Your answer should be 12 popsicles. When I do my number sentence, remember, I'm using the numbers that they told me in the story. So she started with 8, she got 4 more, and when I put it all together, my answer is 12. So she had 12 popsicles at the end. I also wanted to show you how you could do this if you use a 10 frame. So this is a little bit tricky because we have a really big number today, but I'm going to walk you through how we can do this. So again, I'm starting off with the number 8. So I have my number here and I've filled up 8 of my squares of the 10 frame. Now I can notice I have 1, 2. 2 of my squares are left empty. So let's see what happens when I try to add 4 to it. Because I know she's getting 4 more, right? Let's see, I have 1, 2. Is 2 the same amount as 4, or do I need to add more still? But my 10 frame is full, so I'm wondering, how could I do this? One thing I did, I decided I'd put 1, 2 here, and then 3, 4. So I still have my 4 popsicles that she got, right? But 2 of them are out of the 10 frame. What's kind of a cool trick though, we know when a 10 frame is full, we don't even have to count it. If it's full, we already know 10. So what I can do is I can say, okay, 10, 11, 12. I only had to count 3 things there. And still, I get my answer as 12. And my number sentence, of course, is going to be the same as well. All right, your math lesson pages Your math lesson pages for today, you're starting on page 55. I believe we said 55, 56, and 57. This week's a little bit funny because you have some extra math pages. So if you are feeling really motivated, you really want to do a bunch of math, go for it. Or you can practice by doing them. If you need to get better, it'll help you learn to do more. All right, this is about the end of our math lesson. I just wanted to let you know that starting next week, we are going to have science and social studies. So I'm super excited to share that with you. And that's about it. So thank you again for participating all week. I love to see what you're all doing. And hopefully I'll see a lot more of you soon on our next Google Meet session. All right, have a lovely weekend. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.